What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Look who it is. JD. Look what car it is. It's 435. What are we doing today?
High pressure fuel pump. Torch,
Yeah.
stage 2.5.
Shout out to the N55 guys, by the way. Yeah, so I'm gonna help out JD, and by help I mean I'm gonna hand you tools and stuff. No, I'm joking. I'll do more than that. No, I'll do more than that. We're not gonna film everything, but I just wanted to vlog it. Six is also coming through, so it should be interesting. So right now we have JD's 435, of course. We have the G80, we have the X5, some parts right over there, which is for the 435. We have the Supra. If you guys, I don't know when I'm gonna upload all these videos, but I'm like losing track. But you guys would have seen recently, I think, we replaced the hood on the Supra, and JD was the man and he helped me out. So of course, we help each other out. So I have no idea. This is the stupidest reference we're gonna use ever. It's the Hispanic Clark Kent, if you guys don't know. And you wouldn't know because that's just JD's. Bro, you're more brolic than Superman. Anyways, like I said, we're not gonna film everything. This is gonna be, I don't know how big of a job it is. I've never done it before. So I don't wanna film everything. It's just gonna take us longer. But we'll kind of film things here and there. So,
Bada boom, bada beam. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna get done.
was that Italian or Dominican?
Listen, I like Italian girls, so. Sorry, babe.
Anyways, we also have, I think I said this already, Six is coming, and Six did some stuff to his car that's really cool. I haven't seen it yet. I'll film that part and I'll show you guys that. But anyways, we're gonna get started and I'll update you guys here and there. Just wish us luck, because we're both kind of clueless. Ramon Clint to the rescue.
Ramon Clint.
By the way, guys, Sticks pulled up.
I haven't been at Amen in a minute.
Bro, legit, you haven't been here. It's because he said he doesn't like me anymore.
That's not true. I haven't even seen this is the first time seeing the rap. I only seen it on YouTube.
All right, what do you actually think? Forget the imperfections. We already know that it's clap. But like the actual rap itself.
Good, yeah.
The color, right?
Yeah, it's
Does it look like Alaman green?
What's Alaman green? This?
No.
I feel like right there where the sun is hitting, it's like a different color.
It is a different color. It's more metallic-y, it's more teal.
Yeah. I see like a goldish in there.
Yeah, it has like a little, yeah, kind of because it reflects the sun.
Yeah.
I like it, man.
It's nice. I like it.
Anyways, thank you, Six. Six hasn't seen the M3, he hasn't seen the Supra, but I mean the Supra we just did yesterday.
Yeah, I haven't seen any of these cars in a long time, man.
I know.
Amen don't like
Yeah.
it no more.
Wait, yo, can I get your key real quick? Yeah. I want to show the viewers what you did.
Oh, you haven't even seen it.
Bro, I haven't seen it. Is this your key? Oh, it's a case. I was gonna say, I was like, yo, what is this? What kind of Iron Man key is this thing? So if you guys watch Six's channel, you'll have already seen it. But if you didn't, look at this. Ugh. He got a custom steering wheel from Inline 6 Auto, and not just any custom steering wheel. He got like the, let me close the door before someone hits it. He got the one that has like the LED lights and all that. So it's really cool. It's also like super like intense. This thing's awesome, man. And he's got the paddle shifters from before. He's got the digital cluster. He's got the whole fancy ambient lighting. Me and JD were talking about it. We both really like this 440. The 440 Grand Coupe, it's such an amazing car. It's a 4-door, it still looks really sleek, has to be 58. It's an amazing car. Honestly, Six, shout out to you, bro. It's a beautiful car, you did it justice. But anyways, guys, let's turn his car off and get back to installing this high pressure fuel pump for JD's 435 Grand Coupe.
Everything. Damn,
Alright, and that's the update you guys got so far.
Your rats violated everything in this
That's what I'm
place, bro.
saying,
Look,
bro.
this thing is.
I go away for the summer and they think it's
That's
two-time.
crazy.
No, I don't.
Anyways, we've made not too much progress. We're changing JD's spark plugs as well, so I got all that stuff off back there, and then we're gonna do an oil change. We're basically just redoing this whole car, aren't we, JD?
Yeah, we're doing the whole engine swap.
It wasn't supposed to.
Wait, you gotta remove. You gotta remove hella shit to get to the ass.
Yeah, this is not the most straightforward job out there. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna throw the camera on the charger because it's about to die. We'll keep on working, and I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we can get this done. We'll see. So update. We've made some type of progress. We actually have. And what was really funny that I didn't capture on camera, but my security camera caught it, was some kid drove by, well, some kid and his family drove by and he yelled out, "Is that a Supra?" Or "That's a Supra," I don't know, something. That was my first official someone yelling out, "Is that a Supra?" to me. So momentous occasion. Anyways, can we just appreciate how good the Supra looks? Again, we now have the hood. In person, you can definitely tell, but on camera from a distance, it honestly looks like it already matches. We need to adjust all the fitment and all that, because right now, the fenders, the bumper, it's all not lining up. And then also, remember, Auto Images helped me out and refinish this headlight. So now we have a good headlight, we have a pretty good hood, and the Supra is looking way better. For now though, we need to figure out this because this is becoming this is quite the job, let me say.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Another one.
No more bolts, that's it. Just rip it out. Do it, do it, do it.
Sarah, making me blush.
Last bolt.
That's nut.
That's last nut, I think. The nut is off.
No more nuts.
No more nuts.
No more nuts. This is holding it too, yeah.
Yeah, there's a cable.
This cable
right here too.
I got this cable out, brother.
Okay.
That cable's out.
Maybe it comes out.
I'll hold
Hold
it.
on.
There's something there. I'll hold it. Got it.
Hold on. It's right here.
Hallelujah. That was a mission. Good thing I held the camera.
Now. Coming now.
From memories,
I'm
Ramon
getting
Clint,
faker.
Sticks aka Sticks,
AKA sticks.
and Habibti.
Habibi. Habibi. All right. Well, that was the hardest part,
What
right?
if it just falls in water? What happens?
What?
Drop it in water. See what happens.
No, I don't.
Test it.
Not like
Test
it's my DME or anything, you know?
it. No, it's not important.
It's not important.
All right. What do we got to do now?
Okay.
Look how we have so much space for activities now.
Bro, we can now take out the whole engine.
We could dance.
I can. You think we
Let's
can lift the
dance.
engine?
Should we just put like
That
brake
thing's
cleaner down all these?
No.
Let's try it.
You want to?
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not?
And the car doesn't start.
That's not important.
Read the instructions, my people.
And that's.
I mean, I think we could just.
Oh, the smell of fuel.
Wait, don't bend that too
It's either
much
the
now.
car or JD right now.
Sorry, I am a Shout out Keys, by the way. Towels, sponsored by Keys. Go get yourself some nice little
Towel.
microfiber towel.
Bing bong.
Facts.
Bing bong.
Bing,
Bong bong.
bing bong.
Keys is gonna watch this video and they're gonna be like, actually no, we don't want to sponsor Eamon anymore. Look at these ratchet
Eamon
guys.
must
They don't know
have
what they're
broke
doing.
something.
He hangs out with buffoons.
Eamon, did you break something?
What'd I break?
Cause why you stopped on 3?
Oh,
Check 'em.
yo, I actually got. Yo, you gave me a panic attack, dude. I need JD to torque that down.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah.
It
Once he
is.
torque that down, I'll keep on going.
Torque.
Look, this freaking
No
guy.
way.
This freaking guy.
Oh yeah, that's pretty tight.
I mean, don't compare your strength with JD's,
Yeah.
bro. He's Ramon Clint. Hey, JD, give us an update.
Okay, so we just replaced the knock sensor bolt with a 5mm. Whatever.
Make it exciting. People are clicking away
Dude,
already.
listen, nothing's happened. Doing this, you have to be strong and just don't care about your car. If you break something, replace it. But that's all I got for you.
All right, good update.
You guys want to see something?
Yeah.
We did leg day yesterday.
Oh, did you?
He
That's
can't-
why.
He can't use it. Hey, it's a hood. You're no hood.
Yeah, it's a brand new hood. Wow, this guy. Oh, very demure.
Oh, very clean.
Ew.
Tastes like gasolina.
All right, so what do we got to do now? Does the pump go in at this point?
Yeah, I think we start
yet.
putting everything back. Not yet.
No?
Oh my.
Come on.
We're
Oh
starting.
my Lanta.
Don't hold the seal.
No, this.
It's all turning.
You know, we should never start a mechanic shop.
Yeah, I
Why
think
not?
it'd just be hilarious. I think people will pay us just to watch us like mess around and like not figure out how to do it.
I spy
Until
with my little
their
eye.
car doesn't work anymore.
Their car just blow up.
Smile. I feel like I'm holding a child.
Guys, look how brolic this light is. This is gonna be the most interesting thing in the vlog.
Bah! Oh, nah.
Bro, that's crazy.
Wait, can you have it on and connect
Okay, guys,
and
we have a problem.
charging?
That would be nice.
That would be-
We have a
Imagine.
problem.
What's the problem?
Oh my
Do we have
gosh.
thread locker?
What does that
Oh,
mean?
thread lock?
Blue thread lock?
No.
What's the blue thread lock?
It's
The blue,
it's
the
like
little
it's
thing blue?
Yeah, it's basically, you have?
Save your day, motherfucker.
Yo, go get it. Actually?
I think I have it.
Where?
So go get it.
I don't know yet. Let me think.
Oh my god. So,
we're getting to the good part.
to the viewers, never change your high pressure fuel pump.
No, change your high pressure fuel pump when the engine's out the car, not in the car.
Yeah, pretty much.
The thing is, you know, we figured out that I didn't torque my spark plugs last time, and
Yeah, and this time we torqued them down.
to JD and A-Man spec. So
Yeah. How much you bench?
275.
We torqued them down to 275 pounds. Wait, did you actually? What's in?
The alignment tool with the
Oh, nice. That's good.
just nothing.
That counts. Job done.
0.1.
Do you have?
No.
I think it's super. I thought I got super glue. Is that the same thing?
Put super glue on it.
I got it.
Oh, he actually had.
See this?
Oh, he was messing with us? Bro, you know what's so funny? I'm looking at the camera, and because I was so zoomed in, I couldn't actually see it.
And this one look like that one.
And that one, we gonna put the blue on the boat, and we gonna quick. That's it.
That's it. We done. No more trabajo after that.
Ramon Clay, hey, sticks and sticks.
How do we look on camera? I haven't been in front of the camera or behind it in a while. No, what is it? It's in front. I haven't been in front in a while.
Behind the camera.
No, I haven't been in a while though. I just been
Behind
behind.
it,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, behind it, yeah.
No, because JD is always wrong.
Hello, my name is Diggs, aka Dick. Damn, my glasses look crooked.
Hey, my friend, can you hold the top?
All right, well, while they do important stuff. Yes, Habibi. Should we, what do you guys think? Should we remove the spoiler off the Supra? What do you think? Spoiler? No spoiler. Six, what do you think? Should we take the spoiler off the Supra?
Yeah, because remember the look that you was telling me about? You're like, yeah, you would have to.
Right?
To make it look like a really slick and low and, you know, super finesse, super demure, super classy.
You don't want to go Japanese. That's a BMW, my people. I'm gonna be honest. Listen, I got Toyota battery, I do shit. That's a Z4, low cover, swing. Same, but different.
Same, but different.
It's just like the Big Mac. It's not a the chicken Big Mac is not a Big Mac. It's what? How does it go?
While he figures that out.
It's not a Big Mac. That's
It's
what
not a Big Mac.
Yeah, that.
But regardless, guys, we don't eat at McDonald's. If you know, you know.
He said, let me know what you want. Who? His? Yours, bro. Me? I don't even be on you. What's up, bro? Like and subscribe. Don't sell it. You want to buy it?
Yo, shout out to the guy who stopped and said he watched my YouTube channel. I didn't capture it on this camera, but the security camera got that too. I'm running a whole bunch of things off the security camera in this vlog. Well, there's the pump.
I don't know if I did a good job, but
I think so. I think you did.
It looks good to me.
Light me. Put the light right here on the side so you can see it. See what's going on down there, brother man.
Okay, we're almost there.
Where's the? Oh.
Now we just have to do everything that we undid before.
Hey, but if my mechanic friend shows up, then he's doing all this.
Facts.
Because he could definitely do it in like 5 minutes.
Oh, absolutely. Anyways, guys, you guys saw the pump. This was obviously not a DIY, but hey, you got to hang out with us in the meantime. But since it's so dark, we're not gonna be able to really film anything else. And everything else is just gonna be redoing what mainly JD undid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go subscribe to Sticks. And go convince JD to start making YouTube videos again. Anyways, guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.